Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn Cantonese with Ollie. Today we are going to continue to learn how to count from 11 to 19 and also introduce some more useful Cantonese phrases. So let's get started. So for counting numbers in Cantonese is rather easy once you tackle how to say from 0 to 10, then you can say all the numbers. So last time we have learned to count from 0 to 10. Today we are going to continue to learn how to count from 11 to 19. 11 is 11, 11, 12, 12, 12, 13, 13, 13, 14, 14, 14, 15, 15, 15, 16, 16, 16, 17, 17, 17, 18, 18, 18, 19, 19, 19. Let's move on to some useful Cantonese phrases. If you guys remember, we talked about the basic greetings of saying how are you? I mentioned that it's not often to see people talk like this. Instead, you will see people ask each other, have you eaten yet? In a way of asking, how is it going? Or even to start off a conversation. So if you want to ask people, have they eaten yet? Or how is it going? You can say 食咗飯未? 食咗飯未? It could be used in both afternoon and evening. You can reply, yes, I have eaten. 食咗啦. 食咗啦. Or not yet. 未呀. 未呀. Another useful phrase I want to teach you guys is when you want to say welcome, you can say 歡迎. 歡迎. But it doesn't equal to you're welcome, which is 唔使客氣. 唔使客氣, which we have talked about that in the last video. The common phrase is really useful for taking transportation in Hong Kong. In Hong Kong, when you take minibus, both the green one and the red one, you need to say out loud that I want to get off before the stop. So you may ask, how do I know where are the stop located? Well, to be honest, you don't. But the driver will try to put you down where he or she could stop the minibus possible. In Cantonese, if I want to get off is 有落. 有落. If the driver heard you, he or she normally will raise their hand as a signal of acknowledge. It sounds slightly complicated to take minibus, but I'm sure that you'll get used to it very soon. Another similar phrase of telling the driver to stop the car here is 呢度停. 呢度停. The next useful phrase is to say I don't know, which is 我唔知. 我唔知. On the last video, you have learned to say please, 唔該. Today, we are going to learn some more phrases to combine with please. The first one is the bill please, which is 埋單唔該. 埋單唔該. And the next one is please wait, which is 唔該等等. 唔該等等. The following phrase is excuse me or please let me go through, which in Cantonese is 唔該借借. 唔該謝謝。The last phrase of today's lesson is to say be quick, please. In Cantonese is 唔該快啲，唔該快啲。So let's go through everything we have learned today. 11. 11. 12. 12. 13. 13. 14. 14. 15. 15. 16. 16. 17. 17. 18. 19. 19. Have you eaten yet? 食咗飯未啊？食咗飯未啊？ Yes, I've eaten. 食咗啦。食咗啦。Not yet. 未啊。未啊。Welcome. 歡迎。歡迎。I want to get off. 有落。有落。Stop the car here. 呢度停。呢度停。I don't know. 我唔知。我唔知。The bill please. 埋單唔該。埋單唔該。Please wait. 唔該等等。唔該等等。Please let me go through or excuse me. 唔該謝謝。唔該謝謝。Be quick please. 唔該快啲。唔該快啲。So that's the end of today. See you next time. Bye bye. 下次見。